Limited package pearl white color 10.25 HD Apple CarPlay display Bose 12 speaker stereo heated / cooled seats 12.3 digital smart cluster remote automatic smart park alloy wheels backup camera collision avoidance GPS navigation / radio / Sirius / Blue power sliding sunroof push to start button intelligent cruise control leather seats navigation power seats blind spot monitoring dynamic stability control keyless remote entry reverse backup sensors. The greater your fuel efficiency, the less your carbon footprint. And with exceptional MPGs, this Hyundai Sonata treads ever so lightly on Mother Earth. Know exactly what you're getting when you take home this Hyundai Sonata, as past service records are included. Clean interior? How about a new as they come? This Hyundai Sonata Limited looks like has never been used. Why go with a basic vehicle when you can have it all in this well-optioned Hyundai Sonata Limited? Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.